Oh, one of my favorites is when I go out to a listing appointment and they've all done their research with Zillow or Redfin, and they've got what, in their mind what their home's worth. And then we bring in the actual comps for the surrounding area, and there's a disconnect.
You've used your experience to bring in the set of comps that you think are relevant.
Yep.
And then the homeowner is looking at a national AVM, whether it's Redfin or
Right.
Zillow or whatever, and they're like, hey, but Zillow said my house is worth this.
Right.
And you guys are saying this. What's the deal?
A lot of people don't quite get the fact that getting a buyer is one thing, but getting the home to appraise for the lender perspective is a totally different. And at the end of the day, that's what we're shooting for.
And it's super critical considering a lot of times we don't have enough comps to really be able to hammer home the value. And we don't have, and that's because we haven't had enough supply in a lot of these markets.
Yep.